Trying to find out how to create and execute regular campaigns on ReachEngine? Just follow these 3 quick steps to get started. Sign into your ReachEngine account, then click on the 3-lined icon just above the dashboard. A menu will open up. Select Domains. After that, click on the Sending Domains option and check if your verified status appears as yes. In case you're wondering how to get your sending domain verified, we've got another tutorial for you, and to access that tutorial video, click on the link given in the description. You can then head over to Lists. From there, select Lists from the drop-down. Select your created list and click to add subscriber on it. You can either create new or directly import from an external source to make the job easier. If you're importing, then ensure that the files are of CSV format. Once you're sure of it, click on CSV File, Live Import section, click on Choose File and select the ones you want to upload. You can watch your progress live, and then you can go back and check the number of subscribers again, which now will of course be more. In case you want to find out more details on how to create and upload an email list, watch our Create and Upload the Email List video, the link of which you can find in the description. You can then head over to Campaigns. Select all campaigns. Click on Create New and start filling out the required information. Just type your campaign name. Choose the name on the list. You can also check the type of campaign here. As you can see, it is mentioned as regular, and once that's over, select Save and Next to proceed. You will now be able to see the campaign setup section where every possible detail, including from email, reply to, and other campaign options will be visible to you. Check out the other options which we provide. Scroll down, add any campaign attachments if required, and then click Save and Next to advance. Once you're done with that, you can easily start using our drag and drop email editor to make your campaign template wonderful, or you can also import HTML from URL. Upload a template of your choice, and also change your template by choosing from our more than 350 plus ready-made pre-built available ones. Just choose the one you think will serve the purpose of this particular campaign, and you can witness it come to life. Save and Next to go on to the campaign confirmation section where you can schedule your send time. Click on Send Campaign. And then actually visit the dashboard to monitor each and every metric that has come as a response to the campaign you've just sent. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us or email us at reach@datacaptive.com. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more of such tutorials so that your email marketing experience is smooth and trouble-free. Success is not a struggle with ReachEngine.